Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to make a delicious caramel coffee smoothie. This smoothie is one of my favorite ways to start the day because it is so yummy and it also gives you that little kick of caffeine. So let's get started. Here I have my chilled blender, and in it I have about a half a cup of ice, and to that I'm going to be adding in one frozen banana. And the next ingredient might sound a little weird, but I promise you it's good, but if you don't want it, you can always keep it out. I have a third cup of frozen cauliflower. Next I have some cinnamon. I have half a teaspoon of cinnamon, along with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we have to have our coffee, so I have a shot of espresso here that's going in, along with our caramel sauce. I have 1 tablespoon of caramel sauce, but if you want to use a bit of a healthier option, you can always use caramel flavored protein powder, but I don't have any of that, so I just use caramel sauce, along with 1 teaspoon of maple syrup and half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, but you can really use any milk of your choice. And now I think it's time to blend it all together. And here we have our blended up smoothie, and I recommend using a high-speed blender for this recipe and blending it for about 3 to 4 minutes until everything is completely combined. And now let's try it. Dripped on me a little bit. And this is optional, but I always love to decorate my drinks. So I'm going to do a little swirl of extra caramel on top. My caramel is a little too hard, it does not want to come out. Along with a dash of cinnamon. And now the best part, getting to taste our smoothie. Ooh, and doesn't this look so good? That is so yummy. And I think all the flavors come together perfectly, and I am really hot outside today, and I definitely need a refreshing smoothie like this one. So please let me know if you try this drink and what you think about it in the comments down below. Also, if you want to see some more of my smoothies, and I also have another coffee smoothie that I love, click the playlist right here or over here for all the recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next Sunday. Cheers! And don't forget to check back in next Sunday because we are posting a delicious and healthy chia vanilla smoothie.